If you're dealing with an MSN login problem and every time you try to sign in, you get stuck in a refresh loop, an access denied screen, or the page just refuses to load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the two most common fixes that solve this issue fast. We'll clear the browser data that can cause the login loop, and then we'll check your Microsoft storage limits because a full inbox or full OneDrive can also block your sign-in. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, if you're logging in through a web browser and MSN keeps refreshing or blocking access, the most likely cause is expired tracking cookies. These cookies can become corrupted, and when that happens, your browser keeps sending bad sign-in data over and over again. The quickest fix is to clear your browser cookies and cache completely. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and the Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. Once the menu appears, set the time range to all time. This is important because you want to remove every old login cookie that could be causing the problem. Then check the boxes for cookies and cached images and files. If you see other temporary browsing options, you can leave those unchecked unless you want to clear everything. After that, click Clear Data. Once the browser finishes clearing the files, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then try logging into MSN again. In many cases, this alone fixes the continuous refresh loop and gets rid of the access denied message immediately. If it works, great. If not, don't worry, because there's another common cause that many people overlook. The next thing to check is your Microsoft account storage. If your free OneDrive storage is full or your email inbox is completely full, Microsoft can flag the account and block the sign-in portal as a security measure. This can make it look like the login is broken, when in reality, the account is being restricted because there's no more space available. To check this, log into your Microsoft account dashboard. From there, look at your storage meters for both OneDrive and your email account. Pay attention to whether you're over the limit or close to it. If your storage is full, you'll need to free up space before the login issue can be resolved properly. Start by deleting old attachments from your email if they're taking up too much space. Large emails with photos, documents, and videos can add up quickly. Also, make sure to empty your deleted items folder because deleted messages still take up space until that folder is cleared. After that, go into your junk email folder and empty that too. A lot of people forget this step, but it can make a big difference. If you use OneDrive, remove old files you no longer need, especially large videos, downloads, or duplicate backups. Once you've freed up enough space, give Microsoft a moment to update your account status. Then try signing in again. In many cases, the login portal will unblock itself once the storage issue is resolved. So to recap, if MSN login is not working, first clear your browser cookies and cache by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete and choosing all time. Then check your Microsoft account storage because a full inbox or full OneDrive can trigger a sign-in block. These two fixes solve most MSN login problems without needing anything advanced. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.